Hey guys, let's see how to make spring. First, delete default cube. Press Shift A and add circle. Press R to rotate and press X to rotate in X-axis and press 90 to 90 degree. Now come to front view and scale down. Press G and X to move in X-axis. Press Ctrl A and apply all transform. Now go to Modifier tab. Add modifier. Add a screw modifier. Change the screw value to 1.5 and iterations value to 10. Change viewport and render value to 64. Click Apply. Go to Edit Mode. Select Edge Select Mode. Press Alt-Shift and select edges. Press F to fill faces. Now press I and insert face. Do the same in bottom edges. Here is the spring. Let's see another method. Now delete this spring. Press Shift A and add a circle. Go to Modifier tab, click Generate and add Screw Modifier. Change screw value to 10. Change axis to Y. Go to Edit Mode. Select the edges and press G, and press X to move in X-axis. Now scale it down. Change iteration value to 10. Change viewport and render value to 64. Change the keyframe value to 0. Change the screw value to move like a spring. Click that white button for Add Keyframes. Now change the keyframe to 30 and change the screw value to 10 and add keyframes. Do the same for each 30 keyframes. Press play to see animated screws. Setting up for render. Here is the screw. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.